In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track employee hours in Gusto. To get started, go ahead and sign into your Gusto account. Make sure you're using the correct login for your business so you can access your payroll and time tracking tools without any issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can navigate to the area that shows employee time information. From there, click on Time and Attendance and then select Time Tracking. This section is where Gusto organizes employee hour data, making In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate payroll reports in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the navigation menu and find the reporting tools without any confusion. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Reports. This is where Gusto keeps different types of business and payroll reporting options. So if you need payroll details for review, record keeping, or internal tracking, this is the section you'll be using. After that, go through the reports list and find a payroll-related report. Depending on what information you need, you might choose a report like payroll trends, pay stubs, or bank transactions. Each of these reports gives you a slightly different view of your payroll activity, so take a moment to select the one that best matches what you're trying to review or export. Once you've found the right option, click the report you want to generate. This opens the report settings and prepares Gusto to display the information based on your selection. From there, choose a date range for the report. You can select a specific payroll period or use a custom date range if you need more control over the results. This step is important because the date range determines exactly which payroll data will appear. So it's a good idea to double-check that the time frame matches your needs before moving on. Now go ahead and generate the report. Gusto may take a moment to load the data, especially if the report includes a large amount of payroll information. Just give it a few seconds to process and display the results on screen. Once the report appears, review the payroll information carefully. This is a good time to check that the report includes the correct dates, pay details, and any other information you expected to see. Taking a quick look now can help you catch mistakes before downloading or sharing the file. If everything looks right, click the export or download option if it's available for that report. This allows you to create a file version that you can store, print, or send through your normal business workflow. Finally, save the report file to your device in a location that's easy to remember. Keeping your payroll reports organized can make future reference much easier, especially if you need them for accounting, audits, or internal records. Thanks for watching.